जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयम योगमु 36th श्लोक। Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to Arjuna and each and every one of us. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, without bringing your mind under your control, it is very hard to attain Samadarsanam. That is why keep on telling greatness of Atma to your mind. That is Abhyasam. And keep on telling badness of all other objects other than Atma. That is Vairagya. While doing these two things, you keep doing your Karma Yogam, what I have said so far. Karma Yogam means Kartrutva Tyagam, Phalatyagam, Sangatyagam. While performing your prescribed duties, you should not be feeling that you are doing. You have to feel that Paramatma is having you do. That is Kartrutva Tyagam. While performing your prescribed duties, don't feel that it is your job, your work. It is Paramatma's service. That is Sangatyagam. While performing your duties, do not feel that all the benefits, fruits, results of your actions are yours. No. All those fruits should be dedicated to Paramatma. That is Phalatyagam. Like this, if you perform your prescribed duties with Kartrutva, Sangha, Phalatyagam, that becomes Karma Yogam. So continue doing that Karma Yogam. Keep on doing this Abhyasa, Vairagyam. With all this, you will be able to bring your mind under your control. Then it will become easy for you to attain Samadarsanam, that equal vision among all the Atmas. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us the process of bringing our mind under our control. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Asamyatatmana yogo dushprapa iti me matihi vasyatmanatu yatata sekyo vaptum vupayataha Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava, sharing all his divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma, along with his brother Baladeva, Tataha sa agatya puram swapitroho chikirshaya. He went to Madhura Nagaram to take care of his parents. To make his parents happy, Krishna Paramatma went to Madhura Nagaram along with his brother Baladeva. O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma lived 11 years in Nandavraja and Brindavan. After that, he took his brother Baladeva and went to Madhura. O Vidura, when Krishna Paramatma went to Madhura, there Kamsa arranged Chanura, Mushtika, those two demons, to kill Krishna. But Krishna killed those Chanura, Mushtika, and then Krishna dragged Kamsa from his Simhasanam and then killed Kamsa also. Like that, Krishna Paramatma did Kamsa Samharam. After that, O Vidura, such Veda Vedya, all the Vedas talks about Paramatma. Such great Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma, Naluvoppanga, Shadanga Yukta, Mahita Amnayambu, Shashti Vidyalu, Sandipaniche, Sandipanehe Sakrutu Proktam. Krishna Paramatma reached Sandipani, such a great Guru. And Krishna Paramatma finished his education under Sandipani, great Guru. That Guru just said only once. He just taught Veda Vedangas, all Shastras and all kind of arts to Krishna Paramatma only once. That's all. Krishna Paramatma grasped each and everything. And after he finishes his education under Sandipani Guru, Krishna Paramatma wanted to give a Guru Dakshina. Then Krishna Paramatma learned that Sandipani Guru's son is dead. So Krishna Paramatma went to Panchajana, a Rakshasa. He peeled out Panchajana's stomach. There Sandipani's son is there. So Krishna Paramatma brought that Guru's son alive. Guru Dakshinaga Ati Bhakti Yuktin Arpinche. With all of his devotion, Krishna Paramatma gave Sandipani's son as a Guru Dakshina to Sandipani, who is Guru. Like that, O Vidura, Sakshat Krishna Paramatma served his own Guru Sandipani. Like this, Uddhava saying to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Madhurashtakam. Karanam madhuram taranam madhuram haranam madhuram ramanam madhuram vamitam madhuram semitam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 36th sloka. Asamyatatmana yogo dushprapa iti me matihi vasyatmanatu yatata Sekhyo vaptum vupayataha. Asamyatatmana yogo dushprapayiti me matihi vasyatmanatu yatata sekhyo vaptum upayataha. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.